Hello my friends, welcome to this week's Make and Take. This week we are making the Happy Dog card. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. So for making the Happy Dog card, I wanted to use my stamps that Taylor made me. We make custom stamps here, you probably already know that. But we have our 3 dogs here. So Ranger is our dog that passed away last year. He will always live in our hearts. He was 18 years old. This is Gabriel, our boy. He's 6 years old right now. And this is Sunny. And he is about 1.5 years old. So there are our 3 dogs that we've ever had. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we are going to cut out with our scissors all of their cute little faces. So what we're going to do is what's referred to as fussy cutting. You wanna save the rest of this paper here because we're probably gonna need it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna quickly kind of fussy cut. And fussy cut just means to cut out. I have this one friend who loves to fussy cut, but she takes forever fussy cutting. And I usually like to tell people that if it takes you more than a minute, you're not going fast enough. Because it shouldn't take you very long to cut out their little faces. Now, obviously, if you want to take your time and it takes you more than a minute, that's totally fine. But for today, I am not going to take lots of time cutting those out. All right, so we got their little faces. Sunny has 2 floppy ears, so that's why you see the double floppy ear situation happening here. If you've never met Sunny before, you can stop by the shop. The dogs are always here with us. Sunny and Gabriel are always here with us, but Sunny has the very, very expressive ears, which are so cute. All right, and then our boy Ranger. Ranger was a blue heeler Jack Russell Rat Terrier mix, and he was so adorable, and he had a very, we're gonna call it a very dense body. He was a very condensed dog that was extremely cute, but he was not really a fan of being picked up. Picking up Ranger was like trying to pick up brick. It was very funny. Okay, so there we are. We have all their cute little faces. Yes! So 2 of each dog. All right. Now let's look at all the other little bits in our kit here. We have the happy birthday, sending happiness your way, this random piece of white paper, this random piece of white paper, these little bits here, and then all of these floral pieces. And then we have the card base and our envelope, and this is the part I'm looking for. This is the window. So if you look here, I know it's kind of hard to see, there's this little stitching along the edge of the windows, and that is actually where you're going to fold. So you can actually just kind of use your fingers there to fold only along that little stitching, this little perforation. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, like so, all right? So then that way your window can actually open up. All right, so what we're going to do here is there are 2 squares and there are 2 rectangles in the kit. You want one of the squares. So you can decide which side of the paper you like the most. I personally wanted this side right here, which has all of the little like lines across, but if you want to prefer the floral, it's totally up to you. I'm gonna let you decide. So what we're going to do here is, once you've decided what you're going to do, which one you're going to choose, you're going to lay that down, and then we're going to take the rest of our white paper here and we're going to create some half ovals, okay? Which I know just seems crazy, but we're going to do a grand total of 6 of them. So a half oval just kind of looks like a little arch, kind of like this. So we're going to do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, it doesn't have to be perfect, and it's totally fine. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do 3 kind of skewed little triangles, and these are going to be little dog tails that are going to be wagging because they're so fun. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut out the little half ovals, the little arches, so they look like this. So we're going to do that with all of these, all 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is going to be number 6. All right, so we have 6. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut out their little tails, their little puppy dog tails. Okay, oh goodness. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that it looks kind of like a little tail. 1, 2. All right, and 3. Okay, so we have 3 little tails and 6 little bodies. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use our white glue, and we're going to glue the little heads onto their little bodies. We're going to come back to little tails in just a minute. So I'm just going to put a little dot of white glue on the top of each little arch, or a half oval as I was calling it earlier. And then you're going to stick the little dog faces on top of each little arch. And so this is going to give them their little bodies. So cute. Oh my goodness. All right. There we go. Wonderful. Okay. All right. So now that you have all your little dogs, so cute, so cute, so cute. Okay. So now while we wait for those to dry, we are going to work on our little window scene here. All right, so I want the word happy birthday to be on the front right when you open up the little window. So I want you to open the window and say happy birthday. So if you don't want it to say happy birthday, you can flip this over and you can write your own message on that little white strip. Maybe you don't know what you want to say, in which case you could just glue that right behind there, okay? But it's up to you. I'm gonna glue mine down as happy birthday. So on the back side of our window here, on these little strips, I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit of glue right here and here. And then that way, when I go to stick on my happy birthday, I'm going to do like this. Make sure those windows are nice and opened. I'm going to stick on my sentiment. This is happy birthday. I'm just going to stick that right on the back side, right on top of the glue. Make sure it's nice and straight. I've stuck it down. And you can take a moment now and like adjust it if you need to, but mine looks good. I can see the whole word. I'm going to trim off this excess and move all these little dogs and things out of the way here so we can more accurately see what we're doing. By the way, these little rectangles, those are going to go on our windows on the inside. Those are little window shutters. Okay, we'll move all our little dogs out of the way for a minute. Okay, all right, so now we're going to trim off where that little banner is, so then that way we don't see that part. All right. Okay, so now it's time to glue this down. So again, you can do it on top of the floral, or you can do it on top of the stripes. It's totally up to you what you want to do. I'm going to choose the floral because I love the floral. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the left and right, just right kind of along that edge. And then I'm going to stick this down, and I'm actually going to match it up so that you can't see any of the rectangle of the floral square outside of the black. Okay, I can see a little bit of the blue is exposed, so I'm going to go ahead and just trim that now. And we'll do the same thing over here. All right, okay, there we are. Okay, so now we have happy birthday and it's a little window, so cute. Now it's time to put 3 dogs. So I'm gonna grab Gabriel and Sunny and Ranger, and those guys are all gonna go in the front here. So I'm actually gonna kind of tuck them in where I want them to be. So I'm gonna tuck them in like this. If you want them to be silly and to be coming in from the sides, please feel free to do so. But for right now, I am going to just put them all right here, right in the front, because I think they're so cute standing there together. I'm gonna put a little bit of white glue at the very bottom, right at the very base of their little bodies. So that way when I tuck them in here, they actually wanna stick. Again, with Gabriel, with his little cute body, he'll go in the middle. And then of course with little Ranger, that will go on the side here. All right. So cute. Yes, adorable, adorable, adorable. Okay, so this is actually just the front of the card. So now we're gonna grab our card base here and we're gonna put glue on the back side of this. I'm gonna go around all 4 sides. Maybe even a couple dots right in the center. And now I'm gonna stick this on the front of my card base so there's about 1/8 of an inch border on all 4 sides. Okay. Oh, goodness. Right before we finish doing this, pull this up really fast before it dries. This bottom part right here, we're actually going to put a little bit of ribbon here. I'm actually going to bring this around. You can tie it if you would like. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to stick it down to the back side and then wrap it around to the front. But in order to do that, we need a little bit of double-sided tape. If you don't have double-sided tape, that's okay. You can use glue, but you have to kind of sit there and hold it for a little bit. I'm going to put a little piece of double-sided tape on the back side of this black part right here. Just right here and right here, so then that way my ribbon will stick to it. All right, so I'm going to put this one tail of the ribbon on the double-sided tape there, bring that around to the front, and then bring that around to the inside again. And I'm just going to trim this. There we go. So now we can stick that down, and then we have that cute little fluffy ribbon, which looks perfect for the fluffiness of the dogs. Yes, love, 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 love. All right, now for the inside of the card. Okay, so what our background pieces that are left is you have 1 floral square and 2 floral rectangles. So we're going to go ahead and glue the floral rectangles down next. I'm going to do some glue just around the edges there, some dots in the center. We're going to stick that on the left side, and there's again probably about 1/4 of an inch border on all 4 sides. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. All right, and we'll stick that down here, again about 1/4 inch border on all 4 sides. All right. Now this says sending happiness your way. I want this to go in the card, but towards the top. So you want to make sure that as you stick that down that your cards can still close without it hanging off at the edge. And my card will fit perfectly. Or my little banner, my sentiment will fit perfectly. So I'm just going to put that right there up at the top. All right. So now we're going to be making our window. So I'm going to set this to the side for just a moment so that we can work on our window here. All right, so this is what we're going to do here. So these are going to be our little window shutters. We got to make the window shutters first. I'm going to use my black pen to make some little lines to make it look like a little window shutter. Your lines do not need to be straight or totally perfect. I want mine to be at least kind of straight, but it does not need to be perfect. If you would prefer yours to be perfect, you can use a ruler if you would like. I would say there's about 1/4 inch between each line here. Okay, so once you have all your little lines drawn for your shutters, we're going to take our little shutter doors here. You'll see there's a little score line on the side right there, and you're going to bend that up, and there's the same thing on this other shutter door. There's a little score line, and we're going to bend that up, okay? This is going to be so you can open and close your windows, of course, okay? All right, so now what we're going to do, on the inside of our card, this is where the window is going to go, okay? So, we'll close that there. All right. So what we're going to do here is on this piece with the lines, we're going to be gluing our shutters on. So I'm going to start, I recommend that you start on the left side, on the right hand side here. We're going to put glue along this little tab, and we're going to stick that on so it matches up against that edge there. Oops. Oh gosh, my paper is not super straight. We're going to roll with this here. All right, okay, so once you have your door on the right, then we're gonna do another door on the left. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue along this little tab here for the little window, the little shutter door, and I'm actually gonna line up the center here. So you have the 2 black doors, you're gonna line them up in the center so that they match up perfectly. And now I'm going to press down on the left for that other little tab, all right? Okay, now I'm going to take my scissors, I'm going to trim along the top here, all the way around. This is a great opportunity for me to fix my measurement here because I obviously did not cut something straight at some point. That's all right. Okay, so now our little shutter doors are going to go, or little shutters are going to go onto the little doors. So I'm going to use my white glue here, and I'm going to glue this down on one door. I'm going to start on the right hand side, and when you lay this down, there's going to be an even amount of black showing on the top left and on the bottom there. We're going to do the same thing with the other shutter door. The other shutter is going to go on this door. Again, when you lay that down, you can see an even amount of black showing on the top right and on the bottom there. Okay, all right, so now you have your little shutters and they open up like this. Whoop, boop. Yes, love, 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 love. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so now we're going to glue this down onto our card base. All right, so I'm going to put a little line of glue around all 4 sides, and we're going to stick that down. I'm going to put it down kind of right in the middle of my rectangle that we glued down earlier. We'll stick that in place. All right, so adorable. Now, if you notice when you open this up, there's not really enough contrast on the top and bottom there. That's where this piece comes into play. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're actually going to glue this along the bottom. So I'm going to do a little line of glue. I'm just going to do a line of glue right at the very bottom of the window with the shutters. And I'm going to stick my little strip of black down right along the bottom. Okay, now we only want it to be glued at the bottom of the little window shutter. So I'm going to take my scissors and trim that. Now we're going to do one more along the top. Again, just a little line of glue. Make sure I'm not getting glue on the window shutters themselves. So we want to make sure that the window can still open. I'm going to stick that down next along the top and then use my scissors to just trim that as well. All right, there we have our cute little window. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, now it's time for the little dogs. All right, so we're going to put glue on the back side of each little dog, right on their little bodies. And now it's time to figure out where you want your little dogs to go. So I want my dogs to be silly. So I'm going to have one coming in from the left. I'm going to have One at the very bottom is going to be my boy Gabriel. And then we're going to have a ranger up here on the right. Yes, so silly. All right, now we have our little dog tails. Oh, how do I only have 2 dog tails? What happened to my 3rd dog tail? Oh no. Well, luckily I have a little bit of this white paper left over. I'll draw one more dog tail. All right, we'll cut out the little dog tail. Somehow I lost a dog tail. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the bottom of each tail so that the black gets cut off along the bottom, because we want that to be kind of straight so that we can tuck them in so our little dog tails aren't wagging. All right, now it's time to figure out which tail belongs to which dog. So I'm gonna kind of figure that out. I think this one actually needs to go with the ranger dog, and this one's gonna go with the Gabriel boy. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the back side of each little tail, and I'm gonna tuck those down, and you can either tuck them to the side or behind or underneath or slightly in front. You can put the dog tails wherever you think makes the most sense for you. I'm gonna put one right over here. And then of course the little ranger tail. Ranger had a very small tail. They're so small. All right, once you have the little dog tails down, now it's time to show that they are wagging with happiness. So I do 2 little lines on the left and right of each little tail, and that just shows that the tail is wagging because the dogs are happy. All right, my friends, there we are. We have our happy dog card. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It says happy birthday on the front, and there's a little fluffy ribbon, and then on the inside it says sending happiness your way, and then there's 3 dogs wagging their tails. Ah, so fun, so fun. Hope you guys enjoyed making the craft with me today. Have a happy day, friends. Bye-bye.